Hello YouTube, just picked up this grinder stand and I'm going to do the unboxing and setup. So I'm going to let my friend Amy, my artificial friend, tell you a little bit about it before I get into it.
Thank you, Angelo. Today's unboxing and tutorial is about the Model TZ6103 angle grinder stand. Product description: grinder holder securely holds your angle grinder for better control of the cutting wheel, essentially turning your grinder into a mini chop saw for precise cutting of pipe, rebar or tubing.
Thank you, Amy. So I picked this up on Amazon for 35 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. Stand looks nice. It's pretty good quality. Feels nice and heavy and sturdy. Oh boy. I don't know if that's in English or Chinese, but there's no way I'm gonna be able to follow this. So much for the instructions. This is the arm holder for the grinder. So start off by taking out these two screws and you can put this in. Just fasten the two screws. This is like the hardest part. Trying to get this on. I had to take the spring off. This video may be only like 12 minutes or whatever it is, but this actually took me an hour. Took the spring out. It's not easy to put together, but you know, it's doable. I just make it look easy. Got to do a lot of adjusting. So just if you just do it the way I'm doing it right now, it should be nice and easy. I cut out all the screw ups and all the dead space. So just leave everything loose until you actually put the grinder on, and then you can adjust it before you tighten everything down. So you put these in first in order to be able to put the grinder on. So you get that nipple and you get a hammer. And do this carefully. Not like that. Hammer it in. Make sure you know carefully so it doesn't break. Do the same with the other one. And I said carefully because if this breaks, then you're screwed. There you go. That's both of them. 2 down. I also bought saw for the grinder for cutting wood, like a wood blade. So that's pretty handy. You know, you can just use it to cut small pieces of wood, like small 2x4s or smaller. Maybe I'll leave a link in the description for that. It's better to put the arms on first, so it's easier to assemble, like this. Put both arms on. And remember, we'll just tighten everything up at the end. Loosen that base up a bit so you can adjust it. Make sure the saw goes right in between the area where it cuts. It looks like about right. tighten the inside nut. On both sides. Oh, nice. Oh. To the other nut on the other side, the inside nut. Yeah, you gotta make sure that's tight. There you go. There goes Daisy. She's on guard. I'll be a Amazon delivery. Okay, so I'll adjust it. Now we'll put the guard, that cheap plastic guard. I don't know if I'm going to keep that thing on there. It's pretty cheap, but we'll see how it goes. But this is how you put it on anyways. If you still have your old guard that came with the grinder, like the steel one, you know, put that on, not this plastic one. So this one you have to screw in all the way in order to fit properly. It's kind of stiff, so maybe put some oil on it. It's easier to screw on. Adjust the inside nut all the way out and then screw it all the way in. It's a little stiff. Yeah, just adjust the inside nut there, like all the way out. It's the final step, I think. Put the nipple on there and tighten it up with a lock nut. Put this plastic piece on. And then the guard is adjustable, so when you want to change the blades, yeah, you can make the guard go up and down so you can change the blade. Like if you want to put in a wood blade afterwards, or just change the blade. Don't over tighten it because it is cheap plastic. You can crack it. All right. Pretty sturdy, looks good. I like it. a thumbs up. Other than how hard it is to put it together, like, look at these instructions, man. Holy, just put that away. Don't even bother trying to figure this out. Just do it. That's why I made this video for you guys. So if you like my videos, smash that like button.
Well, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial, and we will see you on the next video. Cheers.